So hi everyone. I've got a little box that I got this summer called the Lug Life box summer edition. Ron actually saw it on Instagram and told me, oh, you should get this. So as soon as he turned his head, I went into the bedroom and ordered it. And then he's like, oh, I didn't know you were going to order it. But I ordered it and I said we can make a video because we don't know what's inside. It's kind of a surprise for us. I'm looking forward to it. I've had it a few days, so it's like burning a hole sitting on the counter. I just want to open it. A little bit about Lug. They started off on QVC, and so now they're partnering with Disney, and they have cool bags, which I like, and I like them better than the Loungeflies now. So I'm gonna just open it up and see what we got. So I'm gonna cut this bad boy open there. Okay, put down the scissors. Okay, so put here. Oh, you can't see it there, can you? Do that. All right, so I'm gonna just put it down and then I'll pick things up and show you what I've got. Oh, Lug Box Summer Edition. So what's inside? This just shows what's inside. All right, sprinkled with love. Oh, nice pen set. 3 pack pens. Oh, those are nice. They're pretty. And they're like ocean themed. So they have starfish on it. And the blue and green colors that I like. It's really pretty. You see? 3 pens. All right, what is this? I don't know. I'm gonna take it out of the plastic. It's a bag of some sort. I love the colors. Now let's see what it says it is. Doesn't say. Live life with color. Doesn't say what kind it is. But let's see what this is. I think it's almost like a little, could be a makeup bag. It has like little, oh, maybe it's a pencil case because it has things for like pens. I don't know. And it has cute little palm trees inside. I love the colors. I don't know what I would use this for, but it looks like it'd be good for travel. Put it in your bag. But the colors are very pretty. Let's see. I think this is the new colors that they have out for the summer. All right, what is this? Wait a minute. What is this? Is this a hat? What is this? Oh, wait a minute. Undo this. What is it? Is it a hat? Oh, I think it is. I don't know how you do it, but I believe it's a hat. This Velcro here, I'm probably doing it all wrong, but yeah, oh, it's like, yeah, I have to figure out how to do it, but it's like a hat that goes over your head. That's really cute. And then what does it say on it? Live life in color. Live life in color. I have to figure out how to do this right. The tag is there, so, but that's cute little hat for the beach, and it's open on the top. Very cute. And then one last thing. Oh, this is a very pretty color. I love this color. It looks like the color of our bathroom. Very summery. Oh, I love this. It has a pocket in the front here. Pocket in the back. Oh, my favorite. It has flamingos in there. It's probably in the middle too, so it'll be easier to see. And it has a strap. So a nice strap for it's like a purse. And then has, you can see you don't need the drying agent. See the inside has flamingos and like tropical plants. It has a pocket here and then 2 other pockets there. And they also always have this inside the lug purses, which you can put your keys on so you can find them easily instead of digging out for them, you know. But that is a very pretty color, and it's a cute little purse, you know, to go out to dinner with, you know, or we just need a small bag. That's very cute. I love it. So I'm going to read this now to tell what everything is. So this is a hat. It's a Bimini sun visor in black, sleek, packable, sun smart. Whether you're heading out to the beach or the backyard, this hat has you covered. Literally, it's the easiest add-on for breezy days. Okay, and this bag here is the Swish sling bag. In sea glass, the color sea glass. It's a beautiful color. Lightweight, hands-free, and full of personality. With seafoam-inspired hue and comfort-first design, this sling is built for sunny strolls and everyday adventures. So that is the Swish sling bag and seafoam color, or sea glass. Very nice. Okay, so this is pretty self-explanatory. Lug pens in Sea Life, so the Sea Life pictures on it. A pop of play of your plans. This 3-day pack of signature pens was made to brighten your day, daily lists, notes, or summer journaling moments. So that's that. I like that. And this is a cosmetic bag. It's a seaplane cosmetic pouch. Ingredient palms. Tropical vibes, tidy essentials. This palm perfect pouch brings a splash of paradise to your beauty routine. Quilted, spacious, and ready to organize your on-the-go summer stash. So this is good, like when I go to the beach and I want to bring some of my makeup, eyeliner to fix it after we're at the beach. It's good to put in my beach bag, which is also a lug bag. So I love it. I love everything I got. It's very cute and very summer-like and different. So I hope you liked this little video. It was kind of fun. It's like an unboxing of something I haven't done in a long time. And I was excited because I love lug. So if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And hope you liked the video. And we'll see you next time. Bye.